Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me. It's called Ali Invest, and it's an online brokerage platform that offers a range of investment and trading services to individuals and investors. So to get started with this website, you need to simply head on over to Ali Invest or aliinvest.com in Google or any other browsers that you prefer. And this is all the results I got after my research in Google. I have the official site, the application on Google Play, and I have some similar websites and some images for the Ali Invest. We need the official site, that means the first one. Let's click on the first link, self-directed online trading and automated investing. So once you click, you go directly to the interface of the page of the website, or the home page. It contains some key features and the place that we can where you can log in and some other informations. We will come back to this page later after I show you how to get started or how to create a new account on the Ali Invest. So if this is first time to you and my channel, please subscribe to see more videos about the website like that. So now we need to go over here and select a plan. To create an account, it's obligatory to select the investment approach. We have self-direct trading, we have a robo portfolios and wealth management. Okay, you will just read the offers and what it's gonna present to you, and then you will just choose the plan that you prefer. Okay, let's try just with the first one. Open accounts from self-direct trading. Now here are some information that we need to answer and enter. Like that, choose the option that describe you best. Are you new to Ali, or you are already have an Ali Bank or Invest account? Okay, we'll choose if you are new or already have one. And for the first name, we need to choose the legal name that it's already in our ID cards, and the last name it's also should be legal. I will not create a real account now. Okay, I will just show you the different information that you need to enter to create a new account on Ali's. Okay, now for the email address, let's choose this one over here, susanbrina@gmail.com like usual, and click on register. Now we need to select the account type. We want it individual or joint account or IRA. Okay, like usual on this kind of websites, I choose individual. You can choose whatever you want. Now for some basic information, we need to enter our birthday for the month, and for the country of citizenship, you need just to select the country. They all are here. And for marital status, you need just to select we are single, married, widowed or divorced. And for the number of dependents, you need to select how much. I don't have any dependents, so I will just list it in 0 and click on next. Now for the social security number, you need to write it over here and should be valuable and correct. This is not real. I just write some numbers, but you need to enter correct informations. Now for the home address, you need to write it over here, and if you have already an account in other websites or in your Gmail, it will be directly like you see with me here. I will just select it. You need to write your home address. The address line too is optional. If you don't have one, you need just to skip this one. And the city and the state of US territory and the zip or the postal code. And now if this one is not the right one and you have a lot of emails, you need just to select on this button over here to change the email and their and its informations. Okay, it's the same one that I will to use, so I will not click on this one, and now click on next. Now you need to enter your phone personal and the security question, like example, do you want your security question be like mother's middle name, or what was your first car, or your pet's name or city of origin? You need to select the answer here, the question, excuse me, here, and the answer in the next step. Okay, I will choose this one and right over here. It's not correct, so let me just okay, now let's click on yes. And for the employment status, you need just select, are you employed or self-employed, or okay, we'll choose the right answer for you. I am just a student, I will click on it. And here's some information that you need to answer it. You need just to read the question and answer by yes or no. Like example, do any of these job or affiliate scenarios apply? If it was yes, you will click on yes. If it was no, you will click on no. And the same thing for all the information here. I will just let them on no and click on next. But you need to answer with right answers. Now for the basic information on financial, that means the second step, annual income, you need just to select how much under 25, $100, and for new worth, you will just select the price that you want, not specifically like me. And also for the task brackets, do you want it between 0 and 15%, or 15 and 30%, or 30 and 40% and more? Okay, we'll just list it on this one, the cheapest one. Trading experience, have you an experience on the trading, yes or no? You will just answer with one of this, excuse me. I will let it on no and click on next. Now for the investment objective, you will choose whatever you want: maximum growth, balanced growth as income, growth specular, or current income. Okay, yeah, you can just choose the correct answer for you, not just like me. For the time horizon, for the liquidity needs, okay, just click on not important. And for the risk tolerance, do you want it height, medium, or low? Okay, I will just click on height. And for the margin and option application, I will just let them on no and click on next. For the third step, we have the submit. We need just to agree and continue. And for the review also, and we need to submit application. Need to wait for a moment and tell me to tell you that for the trading platform, the Ali Invest provides a user-friendly and intuitive trading platform that allows clients to trade stock, option, ETFs, exchange traded funds, mutual funds, and bonds. And now this is our account. We just complete it. You need just to read all the information to edit something that it was wrong or something like that. and then you need to submit after you read all the information. Okay, we need to upload all of them. And you need to choose from all your documents. For the address verification, something that it's confirmed, and for the social security number verification, you need to upload a copy of your social security card to confirm that information over here, and all are like that. So after you do that, you will create the account on Ali successfully. So this is our video today. Please friends, if you like the video and understand me, follow for more and subscribe me to see more videos like that. So like usual, bye bye my guys. I see you next time with another video and another website. Stay in good health until that time.